Welcome back on my YouTube channel Asees Official. In this video I will tell you about how to make a invoice in Ms Word. So you can see the sample which I make in Ms Word. Before starting the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and like my videos. Thank you. First of all, I will open Ms Word, go to page layout and select size A4 and set the margins. In this way, I will take a text box and here I will write the name. In this way, select whole one and increase the size, go to bold and I will set as this one. Now I will set the and shape outline. In this way, shape outline with no outline. I will increase the size in this way. Now again I will take a text box and here I will write the address of office. In this way, select whole one, make it bold, increase the size to 12 and shape outline with no outline. Now I will again make duplicate of this one. Here I will write the numbers. Here I will write the numbers of office. And in this way, after it I will go to insert, click on shapes and select a text box. Here I will write the name of employee or customer, make it bold, in this way. Again make copy of this one. Here I will write the address of address. Here I will make copy. Here I will write date and make copy. Here I will write cell number or phone number, in this way. Now I will select whole one, go to format and shape outline with no outline. After it I will insert a line with the help of control key. Make it copy. In this way. Now I will enter logo which I already copied. In this way. After it, I will enter a table in this way. In this way. In this way. Here I will write serial number, name of item, here I will write quantity, here I will write rate, here I will write amount. So select whole one and make it bold, and in this way. After it I will increase this size in this way, and I will go to design, put the line width in every aspect, in this way. You can also change the color of this line, but I want to be used black, so that's why I select. This one in this way. After it I will select these cells, go to layout and merge cells in this way. Here I will take a text box, here I write amount in word, select whole one, make it bold, shape outline with no outline. Now I will draw a shape, in this way. Go to format shape outline and increase the weight and make it black. Here I will write percent, here I will write percent, here I will write percent, and here I will write total amount, so I will select this one and select this one, make it bold in this way. So you can see my step was completed. Now I will go to take a text box. Here I will take customer signature in this way. Select whole one and make it bold in this way. Again I will make duplicate of this one. Here I will write owner's signature, and I will select this one, go to format and shape outline with no outline. Now I will insert the signature. For this I will go to select the signature which I want to be inserted, like I will use this type of signature in this way. Before it I want to be used a line in this way. Go to shape outline and increase the weight and also make it duplicate. Now I will adjust a signature in this way. Here I will choose the barcode in this way. After it, my invoice is almost ready. I will go to select the page color. Now here I will select this one and put is format fill with no fill. So you can see the process of making invoice in Ms Word. How did I make in Ms Word? You have any question related to this, you can ask me in comment box. Thank you.